In this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of offline mode in IntelliSpeX. So when working in remote locations, it's common to find yourself with poor or no cell coverage. In these circumstances, turning on offline mode can be a real savior. So let's begin. First thing we want to do is tap this button right here, the cloud, in the very top middle of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And once you see this blue bar that says offline mode, you will know that it is on. And then we want to enter the event where we're going to be adding our media. So I'm going to go into that plumbing event. And just like when we have service and we're not in offline mode, we're going to tap this blue button in the bottom right with the plus sign, which is going to open up our media pane. And I'm going to do a video. So I'll tap that video icon right there and record new video. So just gonna do a little video of all this here. All right. And I'm going to select the section. We're going to go offline mode examples, which I made just for this video. Finish. I'm going to hit the media pane again. Put in a form. Materials request. Say that we need this part by tomorrow. Let's do Friday. I know this is not a fitting, but we're going to be requesting a water. Actually, let's do combination unit. Go with a Navian 240. Oops. All right. So then I'm going to go ahead and tap finish to submit this form. And let's do one more example. Let's do continuous shooting mode of those pipes. I know I didn't do this on the last two posts, but I'll go ahead and update my location. Just FYI, you don't need cell coverage to access GPS. It'll still do some triangulation if you have service or not. It may not be quite as accurate, but it'll be in the vicinity, and you'll still be able to correct the pin. So I'm located right here. Apply. All right, that looks good to me. Hit finish. So once you reach a place with reliable Wi-Fi or really good service, you can now turn off offline mode and upload the media, and I'll show you what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that again, the cloud, and then you'll get this screen, start upload. So we've got 6 items in there ready to be uploaded. Now it's uploading. And of course, I've got good Wi-Fi and signal here, so it's going to go in very smoothly. Let's go look at our media now. So we've got our piping photos that we just took. And the piping video. And let's take a look at that form. Everything is there. So basically what happens when you're in offline mode is all the media you capture is stored inside of the app as you keep adding more, so you don't have to worry about losing it. And this can be really useful even if you have just kind of like mid to low level coverage, especially when taking videos and stuff out in the field, because then you can just quickly keep adding media to the event and not having to worry about it loading and uploading every single time. That's all we've got for this video, so thank you for watching.